Welcome at the VSC User Day 2024 at the FW in Brussels.
Today it was our user day, and it was again very nice to meet with our users so that we actually can put faces on the compute nodes that are running on our clusters. So the human aspect of this is really nice to get social involved with these people as well. I think we saw a very nice overview of completely different types of science that are done on our infrastructure. So for us it's really very motivating to actually see this all in action.
Always exciting to be at the VSC User Day because it's the opportunity that we have to talk, to see the users, to see what they do, and that's why we are here. We are here for them. We work all the year very hard to do things for them, and seeing how our effort comes to in the results that they do. So how the infrastructure, all the platforms that we build are used by the users to create such a fantastic research is really rewarding.
It was really nice to be here, as every year. It was my third or fourth time, and it's always nice. I've been here as a user, and now being on the other side as a VSC employee, it's nice to see familiar faces, to see the new users and talk to everyone and see what people are doing with our supercomputers.
I, as one of the members of the VSC support staff, come close to our users. We sit all in one hall. We listen to the presentations, but we also listen to each other and we communicate about the services we offer and the needs from the user side, so that we make sure we can improve the services we offer to our users and basically make their scientific computing life easier and more performant and more flexible.
Yeah, so together with some colleagues we discussed the state of AMD versus NVIDIA GPUs, and it was very interesting to see that both researchers from machine learning as well as molecular dynamics background were interested in the comparison, and I think we managed to give everyone a basic idea of the different platforms, and that we got some people interested to get their hands on them.
It's my first time attending the User Day, giving also a presentation about Tier 1 data and how your the research data management can be made easier with Tier 1 data.
I joined the VSC User Day today and presented my PhD thesis called Conditional Metrics on Data Ingestion Validation. I think it's very important that this VSC User Day happens because you get to meet and see a lot of people within the community and also present each other your work that you've been working hard on for many years. So it's also very interesting to hear projects from other people and how they utilize the supercomputer in their work.
A very interesting topic about AI and machine learning. Although I don't use it myself, but I've learned a lot about those techniques that will be beneficial for my future projects as a PhD student. And I really enjoyed the session about the VSC HPC best practices that I find most useful for me, because I use HPC on pretty much every day. So I think after today I can drastically increase my productivity as a researcher. So yeah, that's a really great day for me.
Today it was really nice to look at how people are using the VSC for their different research fields, and how even the VSC team is trying so much. They're putting so much efforts to make it more user friendly, and organizing workshop trainings and doing surveys every now and then, and providing with documentation. It's really helpful, and I was really happy to be here today.
It was a very nice experience for me to see all the different applications of the VSC and high-performance computing in general, not just from a statistical modeling point of view, but also the flow dynamics, development of different devices. It was really great to see.
So at VIB, where I work, we work with Galaxy, which is all hosted at VSC, mostly on the cloud infrastructure. So for me it was mainly about networking today, and I learned some more stuff about Tier 1 data.
And we are here to check out what VSC provides to users, how users are using the cluster, and make meaningful connections. And it was very interesting to hear how it's actually being used, what kinds of domains are using it, because the range is vast for sure. And it was very interesting. So thank you for hosting.
So the VSC Day, Users Day has finished. This has been a great day. We have seen a plethora of different applications for the VSC. We have learned about climate change applications, about peptides, about so many new things. It's great to see so much enthusiasm, so much power behind the VSC. The VSC team is doing a great job to support all this research, support industry, which also we have seen some good applications here. This has been a good day. Thank you, guys.